delete feature is for removing part of the geometry. After using this tool, when you delete it from the tree outline, the deleted part will return to the previous state. ANSYS Design Modeler has three types of this feature: body delete, face delete, and edge delete. Kindly like and subscribe to MR CFD channel and tap the bell to get new video updates. To benefit from MR CFD services including simulation, consultation, and training, visit our website www.mrcfd.com and contact us via info@mrcfd.com.